double time as we will start our team parade in a few seconds. So please proceed near the arc. Good morning, Cebu! Maayong buntag, mga Cebuanos. Welcome to the much-awaited NUSTAR's Dragon Boat Regatta 2025. Today, we celebrate not just the thrill of racing, but also the power of teamwork, discipline, and the fiery spirit of the competition.
Yes, partner, we're gathered here to witness paddlers from different teams give their all with every stroke, every cheer, every finish, reminding us that victory is built on unity and passion.
Yes, partner. Now, the moment that we've all been waiting for. Let's meet the
Mayor, City Government of Cebu, palakpak po tayo.
Balik ang model. Oy, alive.
The team entrance starting with Art Japon Dragon Boat Team. Palakpak.
A round of applause, please, for our Dragon Boat team!
Next team, BFP Region 7 St. Florian Dragon Boat Team. Tama, Totoy.
And here we have Black Natural Warriors Dragon Boat Racing Team!
Cheer tayo. Black Manta Warriors Dragon Boat Racing Team.
There we have it, guys. We have Black Manta Warriors Dragon Boat Racing Team!
Automatic team photo, partner.
Yes, exactly, partner. We will have our
Parade
photos.
and photo op.
Yes, all the way from Bohol, we have the Bohol Dragon Boat Team!
Cebu City Para Dragon Boat Team.
Yes, Cebu City Para Dragon Boat Team. Okay, here's our Cebu City Para Dragon Team.
Cebu City
Of course,
Para Dragon
our
Boat Team. Yeah.
mayor Nestor Archibald will take pictures with our Cebu City Para Dragon Team.
As the head of local government unit of Cebu.
Yes.
So mas, kasama si Mayor sa picture.
Here, round of applause. That's our Cebu City Para Dragons team.
Oh, partner, parang lamang na lamang na kagad tong team na to.
Yes,
Dito yung
because
mayor nila.
they have our Cebu
Let's share
City
love for
Mayor.
Cebu City Para Dragon Boat Team.
Yes, all out support. Thank you so
Dapat
much.
champion team to mamaya.
Yes. So they will really do their best.
Partner, yung mga teams natin, pagdating nila sa gitna, pwede silang mag-jump o kung meron silang cheer sa team.
Yes, once you come here right in front of our stage, please do your cheers. And now, partner, nandito na we have Cebu Big Paddlers. A round of applause, please, for Cebu Big Paddlers. And full ups, of course, with our Cebu City Mayor.
Cheers from our pathways. Thank you very much for the honorable mayor, honorable Nestor Archibald.
Now let's give a round of applause for the Regatta Dragon Boat Team. See, Dragon Boat Team.
Next will be Tibatang Panthers, Calbayo City. Yes, partner, this is coming all the way from the province of Samar.
Samar. Thank you so much. Now, let's hear from the Maui Para Dragon Racing Team.
Yes, another Para Dragon Boat team, Mandaue City.
Sir Trevor also. And of course, with our Cebu City Mayor, Nestor Archibald. Again, that's NUSTAR's Dragon Boat Racing Team.
for Philippine Navy Dragon Boat Team, all the way from Luzon, partner.